Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Tired of having to enter your Apple ID password every single time you want to install a free app? Whether you're setting up a new iPhone or helping someone who finds it difficult to type their Apple ID password frequently, there's a built-in way to skip the password entry for free apps, safely and securely. In this guide, we'll walk through the step-by-step process to allow app installations from the App Store without requiring your Apple ID password every time. And we'll also go over important security considerations. Let's get started. Go to your iPhone's Settings app. At the top of the settings screen, tap your Apple ID profile, your name and photo. Tap Media and Purchases, then choose Password Settings. If you're asked to sign in here, go ahead and do so just this once. Now you'll see options like Always Require Password, Require after 15 minutes, Require Password for free downloads. By default, this feature is set to Always Require Password. So change it. Select the second option, which is Require after 15 minutes, and for free download, disable this toggle and click Done. Then, enter your ID password, click OK, and click Done. After that, go back to the home page settings, then scroll down and select Screen Time. Scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure that Content and Privacy Restrictions are enabled. If it is enabled, tap iTunes and App Store purchases. On Require Password select Don't Require option. This will allow you to download any free app from the App Store without typing your Apple ID password again. Now we try to install the application in the App Store. Close the Settings application, then open the App Store, and search for the application you want to install. Tap Get, and tap Install. If still asked to enter the Apple ID password, but you don't need to worry, because this is only asked once. After this, you don't need to enter the Apple ID password again. So, please enter the password. If the install process is finished, cancel the download process. Then please exit the App Store application and delete the application in the background. Then enter the App Store again, and find the application you want to install. Tap on Get, then click Install, and the install process runs immediately, without entering the Apple ID password again. And now you know how to install apps without Apple ID password on iPhone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.